all over the world. Traders have a great future. Thank you very much for watching my videos, friends. We are going to analysis with Elliott waves. One thing I want to discuss with you, friends. I am not British or American or Australian or Canadian. I am Pakistani and my national language is Urdu, and therefore I cannot speak English very well. If you understand, this is good for me. Friends, this is the first waves, this is second, and this is third. The first waves, this one was 8,000 pips movement and retracement, and now is 16,800, I think. If the movement of 16,160 point, they can touch, this is the final resistance here, 1873.11, and market can come back for waves 4. And if the cross of this, therefore the volume is high, and I am seeing maybe the cross of this level, they can touch 1926 and can back for waves 4 and again go up. This is analysis. You can take care, friends. Have a great and successful day. Thank you very much.